This video presents the correct procedure for replacing the antenna in the SP-401S lighting unit. The antenna enables remote communication between the lamp and radio control devices such as UR101, UR201, or ALCMS, and also supports communication between lamps within the same radio network. Antenna replacement may be required in case of visible mechanical damage, structural deformation, connector wear, or radio communication performance issues affecting lamp operation. Before starting the replacement procedure, it is recommended to move the SP-401S lighting unit to a clean, dry indoor workspace. Performing the replacement in a controlled environment minimizes the risk of moisture ingress or debris entering the antenna connector during the procedure. To disconnect the solar panel cable from the lighting unit, rotate the latch counterclockwise and carefully remove it from the power connector. To remove the lighting unit from the permanent mount, use a 4mm hex key to unscrew the 4M5x10 screws under the mounting plate. Lift the lighting unit from the mounting plate. Remove the lighting unit from portable mount. Start by releasing the safety latches. Gently remove the lighting unit, being careful not to bend the rear latches. To remove the antenna, unscrew it from the antenna socket located on the upper section of the lamp housing. Prepare a new S4GA antenna from the S4GA spare parts inventory. Before installation, ensure the antenna is free from visible damage, deformation, or connector defects, and verify that the threads are clean and intact. To install the antenna, locate the antenna socket on the upper part of the lamp. Ensure that the gasket is properly installed, and screw the antenna into the antenna socket. Place the lamp on the base and screw it in from underneath, tightening the screws opposite each other. Use 4M5x10 screws for the installation. Use a 4mm hex key and tighten the screws to keep the lamp steady and secure. Before inserting the lamp, unlock and open the safety latches. Carefully insert the lamp so that the rear part hooks onto the latches holding the lamp in place. Then, close the front safety latches to lock the lamp securely in place. To connect the solar panel, look for the power connector on the side of the lighting unit. When connecting the devices, locate the thickest pin and align pin number 4 with input port number 4, or position it so that the thickest pin faces the power connector cover. Insert the connector carefully until it is fully seated in the socket, then turn the latch clockwise to lock the power cord in place. To verify remote operation, activate the lamp using a control device such as the UR101 handheld controller, UR201 or the ALCMS system. For an accurate test, place the lamp at least 300 meters away from the controller to ensure proper radio communication and signal propagation. When the remote command is sent, the lamp should illuminate according to the selected intensity level. A successful response confirms that the radio module, antenna, and communication settings are functioning correctly. For more information about antenna replacement, refer to the SP-401S maintenance manual.